Still, while I fix that, you can travel with me. Look how that worked out. Blob, blob, blob. Oh well, onwards and... Blob?
But that's impossible, eh? This ain't right. This is my old secondary console room, the one I used while the main one was stuck as a bedroom. How did I end up here?
Blob, blob.
Ah! Octopus? Is that really you?
Blob, 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 blob.
What do you mean you don't know who I am? Don't you recognise me? Oh wait, I forgot I've regenerated since then.
Blob.
Well, I'm the Doctor Who.
Blob, blob.
I guess you haven't had the regeneration talk yet. Alright, I'll give it to you. When a Time Lord and a fatal injury love each other very much, we do this sort of special thing, alright? Because I'm a Time Lord, this thing, it's called regeneration. It's like when we die, we just glow a bit and we come back to life, but we're a different person. We usually only do it about 13 times, but because I'm awesome, I've done it more than that. I'm going to be honest, Octopus, I didn't really understand any of that. But that's not important, alright? Because if you haven't had the regeneration talk yet, then that means I must have travelled back in time to a point where me and you have only just met. And not me, I mean PB me. The one who likes peanut butter, I think. Or is that another one? Don't know. But yeah, am I right?
Blob, 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 blob. Blob, 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 blob.
Yeah, I am awesome. Wait, thanks for saying, yeah.
Blob, 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 blob.
So, if I'm going to be able to figure out how to get me back home, I need to remember what I was doing before this happened. Let me think. Oh yeah! I was in TARDIS with ODRICK.
Blob?
Oh, him, ODRICK. Oh, he's my companion. He's a nice fella, I guess. He has a real problem though. He has a real problem with touching people's faces. It's a bit weird. He's alright though, sometimes. Yeah. But anyway, I was in the TARDIS with ODRICK, and then I Oh, I remember.
I sneezed. Blob. Octopus, good to see you again. I've just been having a strange encounter with one of my future incarnation's companions. He seemed normal enough, but then he started rubbing his hands across my face and I had to dislocate his wrist. Blob, blob, blob. Relax, he'll be fine. All he has to do is rub it back into place and it'll be as good as new. Or as good as how long he's had that wrist for. Anyways, how was your time with my future self, I assume? Wow, he seems like a really cool guy. However, I don't think he is as smart as me, as I managed to deduce what caused the two of us to switch places. I think it was when I sneezed. Oh, he worked it out as well? Blob. Well then, glaze my nipples and call me Rita. I must be awesome in the future. But the question still remains, what was so special about the sneeze? And why did it specifically switch our 2 incarnations?
This is getting like really weird now. Like, man, it's like, Jesus Christ. It's like, it's worse than I thought as well. It's like, oh my god. It's like, now, every time either of us sneezes, we swap. That's gonna get really old really quickly, you know? I don't know, Octopus, I don't know. I need to find a way of deducing what is actually causing us to swap. Maybe it's something in the sneeze, opening portals in space-time and flinging us out either side. Maybe it's a...
Oh great, this is going to get annoying after a while. Anyway, what was I going to say was...
For Ninja Bob's sake, I'm trying to be this heroic, crazy, maverick wildcard that everyone wants me to be, and all this sneezing's just stopping me being it. So, as I was...
God damn it! Censor bleeps! Really? Oh! The profanity filter's been activated. There. Soz Octopus. So what I was going to say was... Phew! I didn't sneeze. Sorry, I thought I was going to. You know when that happens. So, my plan is that...
Meh. Anyway, Octopus, come over here. I need you, when I sneeze again, to hit this button. Now this will trigger some kind of scan that'll scan my sneeze, and we'll find out what's causing this time jump thingy. You up for it?
Blah blah blah.
Good enough. Now, right, over here. All you have to do is hit this little button here. It is literally that simple. It'll scan the sneeze and we'll find out, alright? What are those? They appear to be some tax forms that Past Me hasn't filled out yet. I think I've still got them in my TARDIS somewhere. Should probably fill them out soon. What's the expiry date? Oh. Alright then.
Blah blah.
Right, here goes. I'm trying to sneeze. What do you think I'm doing? You mother!
I think all this time sneeze is giving me a nosebleed. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, you did a scan of it, did you? Well, then let's have a look. Blah, 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 blah. No, it cannot be. The sneeze wasn't just any sneeze. It's a time sneeze. Blah, I better meet with my future self at a secure location. Contact. Oh, I'm doing this thing to telepathically communicate with my future self. Anyway, contact. Sup, Doctor? Good to meet you properly.
Yeah, likewise, mate. This is my companion and pal person, yeah, thing. Odrick, come say hello, Odrick.
Hi.
Yes, I remember, unfortunately.
You must be Octopus. I'm Odrick.
Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah.
Oh yeah, soz. My hands are just naturally slimy. I have a condition.
Blah, blah.
Anyway, cheers for setting up this pocket dimension for us to meet in, Doc. It's good to know we won't cause a paradox by meeting, but then again, we other ourselves have met before and they haven't caused paradoxes, so, doesn't really stand up to canon, but, Yeah, meh, who cares?
No probs.
Did you find out what was causing us to switch places? Or whatever?
Yeah, we did. You see, for some reason, our sneezes have gone temporal and become time sneezes.
What? How?
I don't know. Do you remember anything that happened with your nose before you first sneezed? Like, you know, did you sniff anything?
Oh, well, I did inhale some washing powder a man in a dark alleyway offered me, so,
Blop blop blop?
Yeah, we were on Terragus.
No, Odrick, I want to tell them.
Oh, sorry.
No probs. Anyway, me and Odrick were on Terragus after an adventure with some aliens, and they were trying to like there was a wall. There was definitely a wall, and some two factions, and they were building this wall to keep out illegal immigrants coming into their faction. But you know what? Enough political stuff. When some guy in a hoodie pulled me down this dark alleyway, and he said, "Do you want some washing powder, mate?" I was like, "Sure." And he held up this box that had time powder written on the side. Audrey didn't want any, so I had a sniff. It wasn't too bad, to be honest.
Blob blob.
Actually, it was a bit weird that after I had inhaled the powder, that the guy started like laughing really evilly and kept on going on about how I was doomed before he just sort of ran off. I think he tripped. I think he's got like a bruise on his face now because he hit the floor. But
Well, using my incredible deduction skills, I think that the washing powder you inhaled was some kind of time powder that has caused us two to keep changing every time you or me sneeze.
But who would do something like that?
Me!
Oh look, there's some mysterious figure hiding in the darkness over by that stone pillar.
Show yourself, you fiend! Who are you?
Do you not recognise me, Doctor? After all, we go back a long way.
Soz, but who are you?
It's me, the Milkman!
I don't know you.
You don't?
Nah, mate. Never seen you before.
Oh, don't you want to know who I am anyway, and why I'm here?
Sure, why not? I've got nowhere else to be. Have you?
Nothing but binge watching Rick and Morty. Alright, mate, tell us your story.
Okay, I am a Time Lord who started with you on Gallifrey. We were very close friends until you slept with my girlfriend, and I vowed that one day I would get my revenge. And now I have. I was the man in the hoodie on Terragus. The powder that you inhaled was specially engineered time powder that causes a Time Lord to switch between a past or future incarnation whenever they sneeze.
But how's that getting your revenge?
Well, I'm going to kill you. This is my laser milk bottle, and with it I shall destroy both of you with one blast.
Yo, mate, you realise your plan makes little to no sense? I mean, if you just wanted to kill us, why did you make me inhale time powder?
Enough questions. Say goodbye, doctors. You're both going on a journey, a very long journey.
Goodness sake, just get to it.
Oh, shut up! What is this?
We're still standing within the confines of our TARDIS's shields, meaning you can't hit us.
Now, Odrick!
No!
Ah!
Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, he's got some serious anger management issues with him. We're trying to deal with them, but he keeps punching me every time I try to bring it up, you know. It's not really working out.
That really hurt.
Shut it, Milkman. Wait, why are you called the Milkman?
I was a milkman on Gallifrey before I left to kill you both.
Makes sense, I guess. By the way, mate, I don't remember anything about us nailing your girlfriend. I kind of think you've got the wrong universe.
Really?
Yeah, the only girlfriend we ever had sex on Gallifrey was the Master's. It's probably why he hates us so much.
So, what should I do?
Well, if I were you, I'd just go back into your TARDIS, go back to your universe and hunt down that your universe's doctor, but since we're going to take you to the authorities now, you're not going to be able to do that, so, yeah.
No!
Milkman, come back!
Never! Farewell, doctors!
Yes, I think that pillar was his TARDIS. Anyway, I think we'd best be going. Bye, me. Good to know my future is in some hands.
See ya, mate. Good to know my past is in safe hands. Wait, what? Come on, ODRICK, back to the TARDIS.
Bye!
Octopus? Blob? He just left in our TARDIS. Blob, blob!
I am the infamous gay Lord of Gallifrey.